everyone, my name is Bryant, and today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to use the PowerPoint. Enjoy!
Hello everyone, my name is Bryant and today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to use the PowerPoint. First, let's just start off with the opening screen. When you open PowerPoint, you'll see blank presentation and other templates that you could use. If you want to get more themes, what you'll do is you'll click that more themes arrow. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a variety of themes that you can use. There are also some themes that are already implanted onto the PowerPoint, so you can click them and use which one you can use. If you click one template, for example this one, you'll see a button Create. If you click Create, what it will do is that it will create the PowerPoint that you want to use. After that, you'll see this. This is the start of your PowerPoint. This is where you would use and start the foundation of what you will be using to grow your PowerPoint. First thing first, you'll see click to add title. What you'll do, you'll click it and you'll type whatever you want. For example, hi. Then what you would like to do is, if you want to change the font of the word that you're using, you highlight it. And once you've highlighted it, you click home. After you clicked home, you'll see this arrow and you'll see letters next to it. What you'll do, you'll click the arrow and you will see so many fonts that you could use. For example, if I wanted to use a font called Calvary Light, I'll click it. And once I've clicked it, it will turn to that font that I wanted to use. I could also change the size of the letter by highlighting it again and clicking home. After that, you'll see an arrow next to numbers. You'll click the arrow and you will check for the size you want. If you don't like the size that you want, which is highest on 96, you can type it by clicking the number and deleting it. Then you can type maybe 124. Maybe you want your letter to be 124. After that, you click enter and the word that you use will correspond to the number that you inserted. Next, you can add a subtitle, which is something that I normally use for like names or what your topic is about. You could also add new slides by clicking home and then clicking new slide. There, you'll find a variety of slides that you can use. For example, you can use title only. You click title only and it would come up as usual. You could also pick other slides like blank, or you can pick name card. Sometimes what you could do is you could click the home button and then you will see layouts. What I normally do is that I only use layout when I have a blank slide. What I'll do is I'll click layout and then I can pick whichever one I want. For example, if I wanted to pick title and caption, I'll pick title and caption, and that layout will be implanted onto the blank slide. The next thing that you can do is that you can change up your slide design by clicking design, and you'll see a variety of designs that you could use. But you should only do this when you want to change your design. For example, if I wanted to use this design, I'll click it and it will change the whole of the slides to that design. You could also change the background of the slide by clicking Format Background, and you can see the different options that you can choose: solid fill, gradient fill, picture or text fill, pattern fill, and hide background graphics. These options vary on what you want, and some options have texture to it. For example, if you have a gradient fill, it would change the color, making it lighter, or you can make it darker. I normally stick with solid fill, where all of the slide page sticks the same. For example, if I want to choose blue, it would change to the color that I picked. Once you're done, you can click X. After that, once you finish with your design, you can click Home. This is where you can add shapes. For example, a rectangle, or a circle, or a square, or a triangle, or squiggly lines if you want. Whatever you want could be in the size of the shape. You could pick stars as well, and you can color code them to what you want. For example, you could put a fill-in, which is what the color inside will look like. You can put a red fill-in, so then the shape will look red. And you can put outlines. This is by right-clicking the shape and clicking outline. Then you can change to what the outline looks like. I'll pick yellow. Next thing you want to do is click File. Once you click File, you will see Info, Save, Save As, Print, History, Share, Export, Close. If you want to save what you've done, you click Save As, and you click Browse. Then you can type an appropriate name that will suit your PowerPoint. For example, PowerPoint. Then you save it on whatever you want. For example, desktop, and then you click Save. Once you've done that, you click this Save button on the corner just to be sure that you saved it. Next, you could add some type of transitions to your slides. These are what make your slides more interesting. For example, if I put a split, when the slide shows up, it will show that transition. Or if I put cuts, or random bars, or shapes, you can put whatever you want depending on what your PowerPoint is like. Normally at the end, I will put curtains, which is here, because it shows this dramatic entrance because it's at the end. After that, if you want to enlarge your screen, you will click this button right here on the right hand corner. Click it and it will become large.
Thank you for listening. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified on our next video. See you later. Bye.